Something big is happening in China and the whole world is watching, especially the United States. In just the past few months, China has launched a wave of new transportation technologies that look like they belong in the future. We're not just talking about fast trains or electric cars. We're talking about sky trains that float in the air, flying cars that actually work, and self-driving taxis already carrying passengers. These are not test ideas. They're real, they're working, and they're already changing how people move in China. So why is the US shocked? Because many of these inventions go far beyond what American companies are currently doing. How did China move so fast? How is their new SUV making headlines for being able to float on water and spin in circles? Why is their flying car already approved for use while others are still stuck in testing? In this video, we'll look at each of these mind-blowing technologies one by one and explain why they're shaking up the global tech race and leaving the US with serious questions. They train in China. One of China's most visually stunning transport innovations is the SkyTrain. Suspended high above the ground, this magnetic levitation maglev train floats under a monorail using superconducting magnets. Nicknamed the Red Rail, this SkyTrain began trial runs in 2022 in Jiangxi province. It uses powerful magnets to create levitation without any power supply on the train itself, reducing maintenance and improving energy efficiency. The train glides almost silently at speeds up to 80 km/h10. The future models are expected to go much faster. The SkyTrain's advantage lies in its ability to travel over congested urban areas without needing extensive ground infrastructure. It's not just a tourist attraction, it's a prototype for mass urban transport in crowded cities. What makes the Red Rail so revolutionary is its zero-emission design and minimal footprint. Instead of tearing through neighborhoods and displacing residents, it floats above. It's not surprising that this innovation has caught the attention of Western countries, especially the US, where urban transport systems are often outdated and plagued by congestion. Yangwang U8 SUV. Another groundbreaking development is the Yangwang U8 SUV by BYD, the world's largest EV maker. The U8 is more than just a luxury electric vehicle, it's a technological marvel. Equipped with 4 electric motors, one for each wheel, the SUV can perform a full 360-degree tank turn, but what really shocked the world is its ability to float and drive through water for short periods, a feat previously unseen in consumer vehicles. Now launched in 2023 with a price tag around $150,000, the U8 combines ruggedness with smart features. It offers LiDAR-powered autonomous driving, adaptive suspension, and a luxurious interior packed with intelligent controls. Its off-road capabilities rival top Western SUVs while staying fully electric, something American manufacturers are still catching up on. For the US, the U8 isn't just competition, it's a warning. BYD is exporting this technology, and with China's control over battery supply chains, American automakers may soon find themselves outpaced not just in design but also in strategic resources. The EHang EH216S. China EHang EH216S is not science fiction. It's a fully certified passenger drone, the first of its kind in the world to receive airworthiness certification for autonomous flight from China's Civil Aviation Administration. Capable of carrying 2 passengers without a pilot, this eVTOL, electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, represents the future of short-distance urban air mobility. The EH216S can reach speeds of up to 130 km/h, 81 pm, and has a range of about 35 kilometers, 22 miles. It's designed for urban commutes, emergency rescue, tourism, and even medical transport. This vehicle takes off vertically like a drone, flies autonomously using AI, and lands safely with minimal space required. EHang's success has put China far ahead of the US in urban air mobility regulation and deployment. While American companies like Joby Aviation and Archer are still in the testing and approval phase, EHang is already flying commercially and legally. The EHang 216S isn't just a flying car, it's a symbol that the future of aviation might be Chinese. Honda Moto Compacto. Though developed by Honda, the Japanese company, the Moto Compacto mini e-scooter was released to the public in 2023 and is being closely watched by Chinese tech enthusiasts. It's a foldable, ultra-compact scooter that resembles a briefcase when not in use. While it only has a top speed of 15 pfs, 20 km/h, its portability and convenience make it perfect for short urban trips. China is quickly adapting similar concepts and improving upon them. Several Chinese companies are now producing even more advanced compact EV scooters with longer ranges, solar charging capabilities, and better safety features. These are aimed at the exploding micromobility market in Chinese megacities. The competition in this space is fierce, and although Honda pioneered the form factor, China's rapid design and mass production capabilities mean it could soon dominate this niche. With more efficient batteries and real-time GPS connectivity, Chinese versions could make their way to global markets long before their Western counterparts catch up. Like train, perhaps the most mind-blowing transport concept China is developing is the T-Flight train, a near-vacuum maglev train that could reach speeds of over 1,000 km/h, 621 miles. Developed by China Aerospace Science and Industry Corporation, CASIC, this train is designed to travel in low-pressure tubes using magnetic levitation, similar to Elon Musk's Hyperloop concept. Initial trials have already begun with smaller prototypes reaching speeds of 600 km/h. The eventual goal is to link major cities like Beijing and Shanghai in under 2 hours. The system reduces air resistance to nearly zero, allowing for unprecedented efficiency and speed in passenger transport. For the US, the T-Flight is a wake-up call. While America still struggles with aging Amtrak infrastructure, China is investing heavily in the future. If successful, this technology could revolutionize not only domestic travel in China, but also global high-speed rail standards, leaving countries like the US in the dust. Shane the electric concept car. The Shane electric concept car isn't just a vehicle, it's a smart, mobile tech platform. Unveiled at recent Chinese auto expos, it features fully autonomous driving, biometric recognition, augmented reality dashboards, and modular interiors that adapt based on use case. It's a living room on wheels with futuristic control systems. This car's design focuses on user experience, blending comfort and interactivity with AI-enhanced safety features. It's a glimpse into what private transportation could look like in 2030, available now in China. With its sleek design, sustainable materials, and seamless integration with smart cities, it's way ahead of most Western concept vehicles. While the US automakers are improving electric vehicle capabilities, few have matched the Shane's holistic approach to tech integration. This car shows how China views vehicles not just as transport, but as an extension of digital life. Yamaha Motoroid. The Yamaha Motoroid may have started in Japan, but its impact is now being felt strongly in China. This futuristic electric motorcycle is not just a vehicle, it's a machine that responds to its rider like a smart assistant. Using facial recognition, it knows who you are, it can read your body movements, and even balance itself without you touching it. What's even more shocking, it can follow you around like a loyal pet, completely on its own. This kind of advanced interaction has grabbed the attention of Chinese engineers, investors, and tech companies. In response, Chinese startups are now developing similar concepts, and in some cases improving on them. They're adding new features like voice control, AI chat assistants, and better battery systems. These companies are blending robotics, artificial intelligence, and transportation in ways that were unthinkable just a few years ago. Their goal isn't just to copy what Yamaha made, but to take it to the next level and make it affordable for the masses. Prototypes are already being tested, and some could hit the roads sooner than expected. While the US has been pouring most of its efforts into self-driving cars, China is thinking bigger and wider. They're exploring all types of transport, including two-wheelers, which are more practical in Asia's crowded cities. This smart bike technology could become a daily part of life in places like Beijing or Shanghai before it ever reaches American roads. Once again, China isn't just following trends, it's setting them. And this could shape the future of urban transport across the globe. Xpeng Aerot Flying Car X3. The Xpeng Aerot Flying Car X3 is one of the most exciting and talked about inventions coming out of China. It looks like a normal car, but hidden inside are powerful foldable rotors that allow it to lift off the ground and fly. This dual-mode vehicle can drive on roads and take off vertically, making it perfect for avoiding heavy traffic in crowded cities. It's not science fiction, it's already here, and it's real. Unveiled in 2022 and refined through 2023, the X3 has already completed more than 15,000 successful test flights. That number alone proves this isn't just a wild idea, it's working. The vehicle is built to fly at low low altitudes, making short trips over busy urban areas much faster. XPeng is not stopping there. They are pushing forward to bring this flying car to the public soon, once it clears all legal and safety approvals. It could become a common sight in Chinese skies within the next few years. This development shocked many in the US, where most flying car projects are still stuck in testing or just working on concepts. What makes XPeng's progress so impressive is the mix of strong private investment and clear government support, something American companies often struggle to get. China's commitment to making the flying car dream a reality has pushed them far ahead in this race, and it shows the world that the future of transportation might just take off from Chinese runways first. From skytrains to flying cars, China is rewriting the rules of modern transport. It's no longer about catching up to Western standards, it's about creating new ones. Each of these innovations is a leap toward a future where transportation is faster, cleaner, smarter, and more connected, and the world is watching. For the US, these breakthroughs are more than just competition, they're a call to action. If America wants to remain a leader in innovation, it will need to rethink its strategies fast, because China isn't slowing down. In fact, it's accelerating into the future at full speed. The race is on, and the roads, rails, and skies will never be the same again. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing tech stories that are shaping our future.